Many students ask me, why should we join a class only for medicine? There are so many options available. There are so many classes online and offline which teaches 19 subjects और उन 19 subjects में से एक तो medicine है ही. We get courses which are offered for 3 months और 3 months में सारे subjects भी हो सकते हैं. तो एक medicine का class क्यों? Well, I'll try to answer that to the best of my ability. But before I do that, let's think over. कभी ना कभी आपको या किसी ना किसी जानकार को फीवर तो आया ही होगा. If I have fever and if I decide to go to a doctor, well, क्या वो information मेरे पास Google पे available नहीं? बिल्कुल है. क्या वो information पढ़ के, by being a doctor also or a medical student, are we confident that we can treat ourselves? Most often, answer is no. So if you go to a doctor because you have fever, what you expect is that doctor to have the kind of knowledge, the right kind of skills and the right kind of aptitude to help you out of that situation. I'm Dr. Sushant Shinde. I'm a physician and medical educator, mentoring students across India to become clinicians for tomorrow. Understand, जब हम मेडिसिन की बात करें तो इट्स अ वेरी वास्ट सब्जेक्ट. अगर हम सिर्फ ECG की बात करें तो क्वेस्ट में ECG सिखाने के लिए देयर इज मोर देन 10 आवर्स ऑफ लर्निंग. आप हर एक टॉपिक की बात करिए तो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट टॉपिक इन डेप्थ एंड फॉर डूइंग दैट टाइम तो लगेगा. Our courses that we offer are 6 months, 12 months and 2 years. That's because any time that you give to medicine is less. End of the day, you want to be a good clinician and not compromise on that. It also takes time because medicine मतलब basic sciences भी जरूरी है. For example, if I'm talking to you about stroke, to localize stroke, you need to understand neuroanatomy. I don't expect that students are going to read neuroanatomy separately. You need to understand neuroanatomy during the medicine class. And that is what we discuss and that takes time. अगर हम nephrology की बात करें, you need to understand the physiology of nephrology. Similarly, there is pathology, there is pharmacology, there is microbiology, there is community medicine and all the other basic sciences are integrated to teach you medicine. But ये मत सही कहिएगा कि medicine is equal to all this put together. It is not. Medicine is also application based. To teach you that application based, it takes more time. It takes time so that we have case discussions, so that we have simulations, so that we have flipped classroom, all these innovative ways of learning medicine so that you can apply all that you have learned in day-to-day patient care. One of the ways that we can look at medicine as an application based science is to learn that आपको सिर्फ exam नहीं देनी, आपको सिर्फ viva नहीं देना है, वो तो आप करोगे ही. But उसके बाद when you start seeing patients, there are a lot of medico-legal aspects to take care of. There are a lot of nitty-gritties of patient care. There are a lot of pitfalls जहाँ आप गिर सकते हो and we as mentors need to guide you on those. All of this of course is time consuming. But last and not the least, why join a class of medicine? Well, simply because you love the subject. Well, I love the subject and I'm here to share my love of medicine with all of you. If you want to fall in love with medicine, join Quest today. Visit our website to understand more about the courses that we offer. I'll see you over there. You can enroll for a free trial as well. Goodbye and Jai Hind.